wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best kayak roof racks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. Though it's not constructed with the best possible materials, the direct aftermarket Universal gets the job done at a budget-level price. It fits nearly all flat, oval and square crossbars and has enough room to hold 2 kayaks up to 36 inches wide. It is easy to load and unload, but installation is complicated and the straps are of mediocre quality. At number 6, the Sportrack Jetty saddle holds your boat flat on the top of the car rather than turning it on its side. This helps reduce wind shear and mitigates the pressure put on the hull. It's suitable for most shapes and sizes of kayak. It comes with integrated rubber padding and fits on the majority of cross rails. However, it's not ideal for wide-hulled craft. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the ability to adjust the Rhino Rack Nautic 570 series to accommodate the exact dimensions of your kayak makes the loading process quick and easy. However, this may be a nuisance if you plan on alternating between a variety of boats, since you'll have to readjust each time. It includes mounting pads that rotate 180 degrees, sturdy straps, and a 5-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak roof racks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the powder-coated steel construction of the Roller 59912J style will keep the 2 units free of corrosion, even if you have a habit of loading up your kayak while it's still dripping wet. Both sides of the holders are equipped with protective foam padding too. It comes with heavy-duty bow and stern ties and a 150-pound weight capacity. It's made in Australia. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Malone Downloader Folding J-Style is a universal system that conveniently collapses when not in use, so it hardly takes up any space in storage. The oversized padding on the sides add a layer of protection to your hull, ensuring a longer life for your watercraft. It easily fits around most cross rails and includes 60 and 70mm mounting bolts, along with straps with buckle protectors. At number 2, the TMS J-Bar HD is lightweight yet strong and durable, thanks to its tubular steel design. It features an easily adjustable padding system, so you can create an arrangement that's customized to secure and protect your prized watercraft. It holds up to 75 pounds and is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, additional hardware is often needed. And taking the top spot on our list, if you want to get loaded up and on the road without any fuss, you'll appreciate the tool-free installation of the Yakima J-Lo. This protective and supportive unit adheres to your cross rails in no time at all and with minimal effort. It features an integrated cam lever and a lifetime warranty. No assembly is required. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak roof racks, or simply click beneath this video.